we are not in the mountains. After last weekend's adventure getting stuck overnight in some deep snow, we opted for a bit more of a pedestrian adventure tonight. There's a lake down here that we'll go explore. There are some hiking trails. We'll do that probably tomorrow before we leave. But we just wanted to have a nice, easy evening. And he already got the fire stick, the poker. That's disgusting, dude. Yep. Off limits. Go get another stick, bud. All right. Hang on. Is that you bleeding? Yeah, you're bleeding. Okay, drop it. Nope. Okay, we're done. You're bleeding, dude. Just a sleeping bag tonight. It's not supposed to get down very low. I think in the mid-30s. Got a 30-degree bag and then a sleeping liner as well. So we're more than set. Drop it. He learned. Looks like we have another little campsite right down here. This is definitely a tent campsite, because you can't drive vehicles down here. So you can kind of see the lake right there. Well, that sun went down and it got cold quick. So we're gonna get this fire ripping. Gotta get some coals. We've got a filet mignon. Gonna throw on the fire tonight. How are you? Huh? A nice little sunset behind us. All right, so we've got filet mignon, sweet potato, some homemade maple butter, and some asparagus. We had to put our olive oil by the fire because it was frozen. It still is a little bit, but it's warming up. we're gonna call it. So let that rest. Potato off, let that just hang out there. Oh yeah, that is done. Perfect. So we got our maple butter here, homemade. Just load this up. If it looks like it's too much, it's not enough. How about that? Filet mignon, asparagus, and a sweet potato loaded with maple butter. Really excited about this dinner. Hudson's excited about it too. Can you see it? That filet just melts in your mouth. All right, let the record show, Hudson's getting a piece of filet mignon. Good boy. Is that good? Just inhales it. I'll say that was the best meal I've cooked at camp. I think we're just gonna let this fire die down and then we'll get in the trailer and put on a movie and relax the rest of the evening. I think he wants to get in the trailer. My last video, I found out that my propane hose was cracked and leaking. Plastic hoses obviously don't do that well in brittle cold, so we upgraded to a stainless steel one. We'll see how this performs. It definitely got a little bit colder last night than we were anticipating. Got down to, I think, 29 overnight. Beautiful, calm morning though. I think we are going to start to get packed up and then go for a little hike. Probably drive up a little ways. There's a trailhead up here a little bit. Hudson already knows we're leaving, waiting by the door. just on a little walk after pulling out of camp. We should have a nice little vantage point of the lake up here in a little bit. You used to be able to drive on all this, but they've since closed it off to vehicles, which is too bad because that would be camping with a view of the lake, which would be awesome. Well, we made it out to the lake. It's got a pretty good drop off right here, probably at least a couple hundred feet. So I'm keeping this boy very close because I want to put it past him until accidentally just keep walking right off the cliff. Beautiful lake though. Got a nice little waterfall at the north end. Actually, this time of year shouldn't be flowing, but it is. Beautiful area. Nice day too. I mean, again, this should be covered in snow and freezing. Ready to go home, bud? Ready to go home? Come here. Oh yeah, he's ready to go home. All right, well, nice little quick overnight trip. We didn't get stuck. There wasn't a bear or a Bigfoot lurking in the forest. Nice and easy. Great dinner last night. Good trip. Until next time. All right, bud, ready to go? All right, let's go this way. Don't go towards the cliff.